Jazz underneath the blanket. This is cute. And she's just watching her like she's an idiot. Oh, she got free!
After tumbling like a doof.
I think she's gonna hate me after this. Oh man, I failed. No.
She's like, don't touch me.
I don't know. Jade will do it. No.
No, Jade will not.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Stop moving. Are you moving under there? Are you breathing? No!
Jimmy John's delivered.
I found this bundle of joy.
You are having way too much fun.